Today we are going to discuss exercise 12.3. First question. Find the area of the shaded region in figure. If PQ equal to 24 centimeters, PR equal to 7 centimeters and O is the center of the circle. Here given, this is the circle with center O. PQ equal to 24 centimeters. Next, PR equal to 7 centimeters. Then here we have to find the area of the shaded region, this area. Okay, to find area of the shaded region. Okay, see here RQ is the diameter of the circle. RQ passing through the center, so RQ is the diameter. RQ is diameter of circle. Diameter divides circle into two equal parts. Okay, diameter divides circle in two equal parts. This is one semicircle, this is another semicircle. Okay, here RQ divides circle into two semicircles. Here we have to find the area of shaded region. This area bounded in one semicircle. Okay, so area of shaded region, area of the shaded region equal to here RQ P. This is the one semicircle. Area of semicircle minus, here we don't want area of this figure. This is like a triangle PQR. We don't want area of triangle PQR. Clear? Here we want only shaded area. So this area bounded in semicircle. So area of semicircle minus total area minus area of triangle. It gives area of shaded region. Clear? What is the area of semicircle? Area of the circle is pi r square. Here semicircle area. Semicircle means half of the circle. So by 2. Area of the triangle, half into base into height. Okay. What is the R? R is the radius of the circle. Here we don't know R value. Okay. Here we don't know R value. R equal to diameter by 2. Okay. Here RQ is the diameter, but we don't know diameter value. So see, note the triangle PQR. This triangle PQR inscribes within a semicircle. This triangle inscribed within a semicircle. The vertex, the angle at vertex P is always right angle of 90 degrees. Okay, here angle P equal to 90 degrees. And therefore, the inscribed triangle is always a right angle triangle. Okay, inscribed triangle is always right angle triangle. See, this is the semicircle. One triangle inscribed within a semicircle. Then it is a right angle triangle. Clear? Here, vertex of a triangle touches the boundary of the circle. Okay, boundary of the semicircle. So, the angle at vertex equal to 90 degrees. If vertex not touches the boundary of the circle. Okay, here this vertex not touches the boundary of the circle. In this case, this angle not equal to 90 degrees. Okay, here P, vertex of P, triangle vertex P touches the circle. So here angle equal to 90 degrees. Clear? So this is the right angle triangle. From triangle PRQ, angle QPR equal to QPR equal to 90 degrees. So apply Pythagoras theorem. This is the right angle triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse, right angle at P, hypotenuse is RQ. RQ square equal to PR square, side square plus side square, PR square plus PQ square. PR square plus PQ square. Here we don't know RQ value. RQ equal to root over PR square plus PQ square. PR value here given, PR equal to 7 centimeters and PQ equal to 24 centimeters. 7 square plus 24 square. 7 square is 49. 24 square is 576. 49 plus 576. It gives 625. Root of 625 value is plus or minus 25. Here length of the hypotenuse. Length never be negative. Take positive value plus 25. 25 centimeters. Okay, this is the diameter of the circle. So radius equal to diameter by 2. Here diameter equal to RQ. RQ by 2. 25 by 2 is the radius. Clear? So therefore area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to pi r square by 2. Area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle of into base into h, height. Pi value 22 by 7. R square is 25 by 2 whole square. So 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 minus of into base. Here PQ is a perpendicular. Perpendicular forms an angle with base. Okay, so this is the perpendicular PQ. PQ is the height of the triangle. It forms 90 degrees angle with base PR. So PQ into PR into PQ, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 minus of into PR is 7 centimeters, PQ is 24 centimeters. 2 11s. 25 into 25, 625 by 7 minus 2 ones, 2 12s. 7 12s are 84. 625 into 11, 5 7 8 6. 6875 by 7 minus 84, which is equal to, cancel 6875 by 7. 7 9s are 63. Remainder 5. 57. 7 8s are 56. 1. Remainder 1 5 15. 7 2s are 14. Approximately this value equal to 982 minus 84. 982 minus 84. Approximately this value 898 centimeter square. Clear? Therefore area of the shaded region equal to 898 centimeter square.